Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you how to fix double tap to activate problem on vivo mobile. Friends, you have guys your double tap to activate problem. Friends, you are not operating as your vivo phone screen. Friends, you can see I have got this problem on my vivo mobile. Same problem you have on your vivo mobile. So friends, how to fix talkback problem? So we call it talkback, and guys now let's see how to fix talkback problem. Friends, use your two finger, then friends you can fix talkback problem on vivo mobile. Friends, one tap on your phone setting, and friends double tap here, because guys if you one tap you cannot on phone setting on vivo mobile. So friends, continue to tap here, and friends click on bluetooth setting. Use your two finger again, because guys if you use one finger, friends you can see we cannot use our vivo mobile screen. So friends, use your two finger, and friends click on shortcut setting, and friends again double tap here. Friends, again use your two finger, one tap on accessibility, double tap here. Friends, you can see accessibility menu settings, select to speak setting, switch access, talkback. Friends, click on talkback, double tap here, use talkback setting. Friends, one tap here, double tap here, and guys your stop button. Friends, you can see one tap here, stop button, and guys double tap here, your problem will solve. Double tap to activate problem will solve on our real or vivo mobile. And friends, you can use guys your phone with one tap and you can use it. So like that friends, we can solve guys double tap to activate problem on vivo mobile. And friends, you want to solve your double tap to activate problem with shortcut setting. So first of all, again on your talkback. So we will on talkback, give permission here, allow option, talkback will on. So you have guys your talkback problem. So how to fix talkback with shortcut setting? Friends, use your two finger, one tap here, double tap here. Friends, click on search option, double tap, and guys search as TALK talkback setting. Friends, click on talkback, double tap, talkback setting, one tap here. Friends, double tap here, use talkback, double tap here, stop button, double tap, double tap, problem will solve. And friends, now you can use your phone with one tap, you can use it. So like that friends, we can solve double tap to activate problem on vivo mobile. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.